Hey, so today I wanted to talk about a relatively new feature in PC-DMIS, brand new actually, released in 2017 R1, called QuickScan. So this is a way of creating a scan using the mouse as opposed to opening the scan dialog. And today I'll be showing you analog scanning. Okay, so the first step is to create what's called a polyline, and we'll do that in the clip plane section. We'll create a section cut curve at a specific point in the CAD model. So in this case on the y-axis. So I'll just enable that so you can see it's cut right through that 3D feature there. So we'll apply. And after I click apply, we'll create this section cut curve. So if I disable that, you can see that red line going through there, and that will be used in my QuickScan. So I'll do a couple. I'll just move down along the y-axis about 12 millimeters, create a second one, and a second cut curve. So I don't need to see the clip plane, so I'll disable that and click OK. So there we go. So I'll zoom in to where I want to do my scan. So you can see I just want to scan this 3D feature here. So let's actually do a third one. So I'll go back into clip planes, and this time I'll do one on the the Z-axis. So just come down here, somewhere like that. So what I want to do is create a linear open scan along this area here. So I'll just kind of come up a bit in the Z, create the clip plane and the section cut curve. Okay, so I'll disable that again so you can see the red line again. Alright, good. So now the new feature, the QuickScan feature, is enabled by pressing Shift and Control on the keyboard, and with the mouse we will just press and hold, drag in the direction we want, and then release when we want it to finish. So you can see I've got a scan there, an analog scan, linear open with 201 hits. So that was pretty quick. Control Shift and we'll do the other one. Start there, this direction, and end here. So 2 quick scans. Alright, so let's go to the back of the part. And we'll do the same over here. So Control Shift, click with the mouse, that's the direction I want, and then we'll just keep holding it until we want to finish. So there's our third scan, linear open, 182 hits. Okay, so let's zoom out again. Alright, so once the scans are finished, we don't really need to see all these red lines, all these section cut curves. So there's a way to control that. If we open up CAD Assembly, you can see I have the icon here. And in the tree, we can see there's a new section added called Section Cut Curves. So it shows the location in Z or Y, whichever axis is applicable. And then we can just hide them. We just uncheck, since we don't need to see them anymore. You can also change the color if you want. So instead of that red, we can color code it. We can rename it if it's associated with a dimension. But anyway, lots of editing control. There we go. So like I said, this is brand new as of 2017. Well, that's it. Just a quick tip. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.